Three suspended Assam Congress MLAs, Kamalakhya De Purkhyasta, Basanta Das and Sashikanta Das joined the Bharatiya Janata Party at the state BJP headquarters in Guwahati on Saturday in the presence of state party president Dilip Saikia. Ahead of the assembly elections, Congress leaders switching to the BJP ahead of the polls is likely to mount trouble for the party, especially after last month. Former Assam Congress chief Bhupen Kumar Bora joined the ruling party. Union Minister Pabitra Margarita said leaders and functionaries from other parties, especially Congress, are joining the BJP and are showing their support for BJP ideology. Commenting on the Congress's list of candidates, he said the list released by the Congress doesn't have any freshness. Almost 20 of the 42 candidates were already rejected by the people on many occasions in the previous election, and so BJP does not have any concerns.
যোগদান কৰাইছে আৰু পীযুষ হাজৰিকা ডাঙৰীয়াই তেখেতক আমি এবাৰ আমন্ত্ৰণ কৰিব বিচাৰিছো কংকন নাথ ডাঙৰীয়া তৃণমূল কংগ্ৰেছৰ তেওঁ জেনেৰেল সেক্ৰেটাৰী আছিল তেখেতকো মই মঞ্চত আহিবৰ বাবে অনুৰোধ জনাইছো আৰু তেখেতকো ভাৰতীয় জনতা পাৰ্টিত আমাৰ সন্মানীয় ৰাজ্যিক সভাপতি আৰু ৰাজ্যিক নেতৃত্বই তেখেতক আনুষ্ঠানিকভাৱে ভাৰতীয় জনতা পাৰ্টিত যোগদান কৰাব সকলোকে এজাউৰি হাত চাপৰিৰে আটাই কেগৰাকী আদৰণি জনাবলৈ অনুৰোধ জনালো এই কংকন নাথ ডাঙৰীয়াক এই আনুষ্ঠানিকভাৱে পীযুষ হাজৰিকা ডাঙৰীয়াই ভাৰতীয় জনতা পাৰ্টিত যোগদান কৰিছে আমাৰ ৰাজ্যিক মন্ত্ৰী কেন্দ্ৰীয় ৰাজ্য মন্ত্ৰী সন্মানীয় পবিত্ৰ মাৰ্ঘেৰিটা ডাঙৰীয়া তো আটাই ভাৰত মাতা কি
Other leaders and functionaries from other different parties, especially Congress, are joining today BJP, showing their support to our leadership, right from Honorable Prime Minister Modi ji to Honorable National President Nitin Navin ji. From they're showing their support to our ideology. They are joining, and I'll mention that not only in our capital city of Guwahati in Assam, but also in the different parts, in the nooks and corners of our state, at different levels, different functionaries and members of other political parties, especially from Congress, are joining BJP.
There's an allegation about the dynastic politics in the release of the
কেন্দ্ৰীয় ৰাজ্য মন্ত্ৰী পবিত্ৰ মাৰ্ঘেৰিটা ডাঙৰীয়া মঞ্চত আসন গ্ৰহণ কৰিবলৈ
The list which is released by Congress, the candidates list released by Congress just a day ago, it doesn't have any freshness, or there is nothing new. The same old names are being seen there. Especially, I have seen that almost 20 of the 42 candidates were already been rejected by the people for many occasions in the previous elections. 19 or 20 candidates were defeated, and out of these 42, 8 to 9 persons, sons and daughters of right from Chief Minister to MP MLAs. So this symbolizes their dynastic politics, the principle of dynastic politics. So we do not have any concern, and we do not think about the list or the candidatures of the party, of the Congress party. Nothing new.